This is the heart of the beast, a heavy-duty semi hauling tons down the highway. Under the hood, the engine roars. Everything's in sync for now. There's the diesel exhaust fluid tank. It injects urea to cut NOx. Sounds good on paper. Then you've got EGR, recirculating exhaust to lower combustion temps. But over time, carbon builds up, the valve sticks, performance drops. Same story with the DPF. That filter traps soot. Eventually, it clogs. And then, boom, dash lights up. What the f? DPF system fault.
No, please.
Engine derates. Drivers losing it. Deadlines burning. Freight's late.
God, no.
Then, fate. He pulls over right in front of a billboard.
DrunkLab, truck tuning solutions.
He grabs his phone, hits dl.ge, and jumps into chat.
Hey, DrunkLab. I'm Bob. I need help. Fast.
Hey Bob, what's going on?
Truck's in D-Ray. DPF fault. I'm dead in the water.
Got a laptop, diagnostic adapter, and solid internet?
Yeah, setting it up now.
Perfect. Relax, we've got this.
You can fix it remote?
With the Mochester App, piece of cake.
Hell yeah. Let's do it.
On it.
A few clicks, a flash, and the delete writes clean.
Done, sir.
That's unreal. Thank you. Deleting this emission systems feels better than payday.
Dash goes green. All system okay. Engine wakes up. Power's back. Bob hits the gas.
Wow. Good job. Like, really good job.
Now, throttle response, instant. Torque, unleashed. Fuel, sipping, not gulping. Cleaning complete. Torque restored. Fuel savings activated. Emission maintenance, a thing of the past. DrunkLab, tuning accessible to everyone.